Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get new bears and panda head on Roblox. First of all, you have to go to in marketplace. Now you just need to go to in head and body and go to in style. Now you can equip kawaii bear head. Click on it. As you can see, it looks very cute. Similarly, you can click on this panda head and let me remove my head so it give me a better look. Now as you can see, it looks amazing and cute. So if you want to get a korblox look, if you want to combine a korblox look with this, you can do that. You have to search for first of all you have to search for this keyword mini virus. So this bundle gives you you can use this bundle to make you a fake korblox. Just go to this mini virus, click on it, and just own this bundle. I already own this bundle and it is right now for free. Once you own it, you have to go back to avatar. Now you have to go to in head and body again and go to right legs. So usually in korblox right leg is missing. So you have to go to mini virus right leg, click on it. Now you can see that it gives you a fake korblox 1 lakh look. Now if you want to make it a rainbow, you can also do that. If you want to make a rainbow body, you can do that. You can go to in character and go to purchase. So if you own this item, shiny rainbow or the Mr. Rainbow, you can use one of them. So I'm going to use this shiny rainbow. And now you have to go back to again head and body and go to style. Now you can choose any of the head. So I'm going to use a panda head. Now you can see it gives you a rainbow panda. Fine. So hope you like it. Thanks for watching.